Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Costco Anywhere Visa Card step by step clearly. To register for a Costco Anywhere Visa Card, begin by visiting the official Costco website. Locate the credit cards option in the menu. Click on that option to be directed to the credit card information page. Here, find the section dedicated to the Costco Anywhere Visa Card. Click on the Apply Now button to start your application. If you're not a Costco member, you'll need to sign up for a membership first. Follow the prompts to complete the membership registration. Once you have your membership, return to the credit card application page. Enter your Costco membership number in the designated field. Provide your personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Next, fill in your Social Security number for identification purposes. Input your annual income and employment details accurately. Review all your entered information for accuracy before proceeding. Agree to the terms and conditions outlined for the credit card. Complete the CAPTCHA verification if prompted to ensure you're not a robot. Once you are satisfied with your application, click the Submit button. Wait for confirmation of your application status. You will receive notification via email or mail regarding your approval. If approved, follow the instructions in the notification to activate your card. And that's how to register for a Costco Anywhere Visa Card step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.